Given the current situation, how do you suggest investors position their portfolios to brave any ups and downs that may be coming their way in the coming months or so?
So first of all, my submission to investors will be a long-term investor in India growth story. There is a watch called Patek Philippe, and they advertise their watch saying that you never actually own Patek Philippe. You merely look after it for the next generation. I think Indian equity meets that category. You don't own equity or equity mutual funds in India. You merely look after it for the next generation. Number two, if we see last 20 years return on broad market, roughly it is around 13%, big figure. Last 4.5 years return is 21%, big figure. And before that, 15 and a half odd years were about 11%, big figure. Clearly, going forward, you will have to moderate return expectation. One, inflation is down, so nominal returns will decline. And two, the base is reasonably valued. So be a long-term investor and with moderate return expectation. Follow the dharma of asset allocation. This is fairly valued market with some froth in micro caps and small caps. Maintain neutral allocation and keep some dry powder in your portfolio to buy during correction.
Great tips. And you mentioned something about froth. So talking about retail investors now, what according to you are a few mistakes? You already pointed out quite a few, a very myopic or short-term view of the markets and etc. But what are some other glaring errors to your mind they are committing on which they can well avoid at this time?
So many retail investors, Sharmila, follow momentum investing. Whatever has run yesterday will continue to run today. Please don't make that mistake. If valuation goes up, it can also come down. This is time to buy quality, not momentum. Second, many investors go leverage into market, into derivatives like futures and options. For an ordinary investor, trading is injurious to their financial health. 1 out of 10 may make money trading, 9 out of 10 are likely to be loser. Please remember, for an ordinary investor, there is no future in futures and options market. Number 3, many a time people have unreasonable expectations. They expect their stocks will rise after they buy and fall after they sell. Please remember, market is far bigger than everyone else. There's no way one can predict what's going to happen tomorrow. So be a long-term investor. Follow the dharma of asset allocation and be a regular investor.